I usually use a command like this to do my own program. Run the program again and change again, and then start. Stop. Check whether there's anything wrong with it. Check the GC and see what happens. This line is correct. Up to this point is okay. G. This should be. There isn't any error message. So the closed loop transfer function is okay for things. Use that. Maybe something wrong happens here. What is the property at that point? This is correct. What's wrong there? Start should be okay. Did you need gas? Sorry? You didn't use gas. I think we have to use axis to indicate where to the plot. H, the handle. I think this is the command I use. And those dot AX. Equals to 0. There isn't any problem there, but this might work, I think. Stable, unstable. Should be okay. Why this result is not displayed? Anyway, I think this one, if you try to do program like this, I think it might work. It should work actually. I do not know what happens. But this is the idea to do the programming. And now, what about these controls? What I want is, if I change the value, then I want to draw the step response again. This is my target. So I need to run to write a callback function to it. I do not need to write the whole program again. What I need is to find handles BT and start. To find it. Sorry, it should be like something like this. Should be a callback. So what I really need is to add a callback here, which means if this one is changed, then it will call the other function which I already programmed to call that callback function again. So this will work. So now there are something very useful. One is how to find the handles of the objects. And handles is generated directly inside this inside this function. So what we need to do is to find the tag. This one is important, and also the set and get facilities. We can get information from a handle and we can set properties to it. Actually, I remember what had happened earlier. So these are the object-oriented programs for UI controls. Apart from this one, you can also add menus to it. And there is a menu editor. And you can have my menu. And we can have sub-menus under it. For the same level, we should use this one. Oh, that's strange. How can we get menu items of the same level? Okay. So we can create a menu system like this, and for each menu we can specify a tag, and we have specified callback functions to it. So it is exactly the same as what we did for UI controls. And if you run it, we have a menu system here. And then we can call sub-menu, we can call callback functions from it. Now, apart from callback functions, we also have other functions to call. For instance, create function, which means when the object is created, the function will be called. It is used for, I think it is used for initialization. Program the function is created, then they can perform initialization. And there are also other things such as key price function. When you press the keyboard key, then it will respond to it. So you can program your own functions. Well, I think that's all for the presentation today. Hope that one is useful to you.